MeghalayaPost.news.
No matter what, for Professor Shukla, we will never accept him in our university. And even the local people of Meghalaya also have declared him as a persona non grata. Therefore, his presence we will not accept, no matter what.
In no uncertain terms, we have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. Should not be an option at all.
Nadu kino hikai kinong trei bat kisamla puli ka skul ba NEHU mantagasngi glabateng ya kajingdawa ka bajur bade ban Weng Mardor yu Vice Chancellor Professor PS Shukla ka bari hadian ki arngot kinomik khmat na Ministry of Education kilawan poi hak te ka skul ba ban pelong ya kajinglang banyakren ni yathir na kamenta kajingat bet ka te ka skul ba u Additional Secretary ka Department of Higher Education Sunil Kumar Baranwal bad Director Subrat Kumar Pradhan ki bawan mi khmat na Ministry of Education ka sakapring kilakan taj ban keren ni pensyai Shakilap Thai Kubor, Halo Gajing Temu, Jong Gajing Alang, Kaba Kilai Shong Perkat, Hakabala Shimenta, Nadu Kinohikai, Kibatri Hagatika School Ba, Bat Kuntup Kisamla Puli. Kumar Baranwar, Ulayatu, Bakate Gajing Kundu Lang, Kalong Gababiang, Hashabon Mi no Nagatika School Ba. Bangilai Kundu Lang, Bat Barok Kinong Tre, Katika School Ba, Bat Kuntup Nadu Ki Deans, Bat Ki Head Ka Department. Kalong Gajing Kundu Kabayaj Bej Rinti, Bat Kila Rai, Banang Tre Khamba, Hagatika School Ba, Lapan Pau Additional Secretary, Naga Ministry of Education, Sunil Kumar Baranwar. Abakren Shkilap Thai Kubor, Nadu President ka North Eastern Hill University, Teachers Association, NEHU Professor Lakon Kama, but Vice President ka NEHU Su, Samla Riki Deburom Rabon. Kilong bakani ka jing kundu, yakani ka kanhon, bawan ka Ministry of Education ka Sakarkmi, kalong ka basay so. Handai kaway, nakamat bakilabu akmat, bakinong padiang shu, banwan pai Vice Chancellor, Professor PS Shukla, bat kila Dawa Weng Mardor Weng no, yau kung Vice Chancellor ka School Ba NEHU.
I had a good meeting with the faculty, all the teaching deans, head of the department, and good experience. I hope everything will be normal and will work better.
My name is Ricky Deburam Raban. I'm the Vice President of NEHU Student Union. The meeting was wonderful, and we really appreciate the ministries that they have come here to our university to hear our grievances and to listen to us. Because all this time we were waiting for a good resolution, so to say, and yes, we are hoping that that they're coming to our university today. We hope that we will get a resolution that will be acceptable to all the stakeholders of this university. Yes, we have raised this question to them, and they said they are still taking it up, and I hope we will get the report very soon. Yes, like I have said, the meeting went wonderfully because there was a kind of a communication whereby both of us, we have listened to each other, and they have even asked solution from us. We have given solution from our side, and they have also suggested from their side also what not to do in the future. Our demand was like before only. We will never change this one. We have stand firm with this decision that no matter what, for Professor Shukla, we will never accept him in our university. And even the local people of Meghalaya also have declared him as a persona non grata. Therefore, his presence we will not accept, no matter what.
We had a series of meetings. One, of course, the first one was with the heads and deans, and the second one was with NEHU. It was a very fruitful discussion because the whole idea was, look like the team came here to assess the situation, that how we are doing with or without the regular VC, and certainly now without the regular VC. And I think we could convey the problem. In the first meeting was the problem of the department and the school as such. But when we said as NEHU just now, we highlighted, and they know. What is important, I don't have to repeat. I think you all have been here since November last year, and you know what has happened. And certainly they also know that it has become very, very untenable for him to even, let's say, think of returning to campus for sure. But what will be the solution is still being worked out, that how do we resolve the matter, because apparently they are keen to resolve the matter, and we are also, as a university, as Teachers Association, I think we are very keen to resolve this so that the impasse actually goes off. There has been some modalities that seems to be on the plate, but we have not yet finalized on any of those. Naturally, they have finished meeting us. They are meeting NEHU, and after that NEHUNSA and other stakeholders. The only thing is we are positive after meeting them. That seems like they are willing to find a solution so that NEHU comes back to normalcy. And that is where I don't want to add anything more because things are only evolving because they are still here for next 4 5 hours. So probably before they leave, we should have a fair idea of what kind of solution we are looking at, keeping in mind that it is almost untenable for Professor Shukla, and we have made it very very clear in no uncertain terms. We have made it very clear that his coming back here should not be an option at all. Should not be an option at all. We have asked, and they don't seems to have any reply because they said yes, it is being investigated. But I feel that probably they didn't convey us because we indeed started the meeting. That before we start the meeting, please tell us what is the outcome of that inquiry committee. But they said that no, we have finished the inquiry. We are still studying, but look like apparently they have already made up their mind. But what it is exactly, they are still not sharing with us. But we can only read between the lines. But they have not categorically said what is the outcome of that committee. Certainly not. I don't think it is proper or it will be appropriate for him because this committee independently came here to assess the situation that when he's not here, what is the situation and what is the problem being faced by the university. I'm sure at different capacity, at different level, maybe he's interacting with the team that we don't know, we are not privy to it. But with the meeting of stakeholders in NEHU, he is not part of it at all. It is the acting vice chancellor, Professor S.M. Sunga, who is doing the needful and facilitating the process, convening the meetings and helping in the whole setup. And Professor Shukla is nowhere to be seen during these interactions.
MeghalayaPost.news.